Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab P11 Pro, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on languages, and here we've got the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add language. Here we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose, so simply find yours and then tap on it. I'll choose maybe Turkish. So just tap on the option, choose the region if you can, and your device will immediately ask you whether you want to set a new language as a default. So just tap on set as default, and here we've got the Turkish, of course, in my case, language applied. If you've got more than one language added here, you can quickly reorder them to change the language. So just tap on the language and hold it, and then drag it to the very first position. Then confirm it. And now we've got English set. If you'd like to, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now mark the language you'd like to delete. So in my case, Turkish. Why I can't? Okay, here we've got it. And then tap on this trash bin icon. Tap on remove. And we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.